How do you see the city?
It's nice.
Samojan? So he has retired. You like him?
Yeah, too much.
What do you like about Samojan?
Everything about him. But complete striker.
Are you?
Yeah.
You like Jordan, are you?
Yes.
Yeah, he's here. He's in Ghana. He's in Accra.
He's in Accra, but he's not from...
No, Jordan is not from Kumasi.
Okay.
He's a good striker, eh?
Yeah, he's a
You
good
like his
striker.
play?
Yeah, I like him.
So are you going to perform like Jordan?
Yeah, maybe better than him.
Maybe better than him.
Yes.
So this is Kumasi.
No,
Kumasi should be ready, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Again.
Hi. Welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
First of all, what's your name?
My name is Karim. I'm from Sudan.
But it's better we get the full name. You would like to pronounce
My name is Abdul Karim.
Abdul Karim.
Abdul Karim AbdoelRahman Yusuf.
Welcome to Ghana.
Yeah, welcome too.
Are you excited to be here?
Yeah.
What do you know about Asante Kotoko?
I know everybody in this world, Asante Kotoko. Even the African people, they know Ashanti is the biggest team in Africa. And people, they know it.
Are you excited to be here to play for the club?
Yeah.
At what point did you know that you were going to play here? What did Coach Kwesi Appiah tell you?
Coach Appiah, he told me you should go and help that team to win the league for 2024-2025.
And what was your response? Was it an easy decision for you?
It's not an easy, but I will try to do my best and score more goals.
Since a lot of Ghanaians and our supporters don't know the style of play that you are bringing on board, which striker in the world would you say your style of play is like that player?
The striker I like.
Is it like Zlatan Ibrahimovic? Is it like Aguero? Is it like Lewandowski? Which striker?
Luis Suarez.
So Luis Suarez.
Yeah.
That means you dribble, intelligent, you score goals.
No, always score.
Always scoring goals.
Yes.
What do you want to achieve with Kotoko? How do you want to be remembered in your time here?
Oh, I wish to win a lot of trophy, like the league. Even next year we look for African Champions League.
That's what you want to do?
Yeah.
What are your expectations from the supporters? What do you expect from them?
I just want them to support us and every time to be happy.
The Ghanaian league is a tough league with difficult tackles coming from defenders, and then it's difficult to score a lot of goals. How are you preparing yourself for that? Because it's not easy. You'll be the target. Defenders want to stop you from scoring.
Me, I will be like Fox. Just score. Doesn't matter if they attack me. Doesn't matter everything they will do. But I will focus on my goals to help my team.
You don't care about how they attack you. Your aim is to score.
Yeah.
How do you see the city of Kumasi since you arrived?
It's very beautiful. Everything here is good. Even the weather is very nice. Everywhere is green. I like it too much. I feel like I'm in home.
Karim, you are welcome, and we wish you a wonderful stay.
Thank you.
Follow our social media platforms for more.